Hello class, a very good morning to all of you. Class 9 physics. Yesterday's topic we have discussed about first law of motion, Newton's first law of motion. In today's topic we are going to discuss about inertia. Okay, inertia and mass both are related to each other. Inertia, first of all I would like to tell you about inertia. Inertia is a property of a thing. If anything is in static form, so that wants to be in that position, okay, and if anything is moving in a straight line, so that thing will keep on moving in the same speed if any external force is not applied on that body. Okay, this property is called inertia. Okay, so today we are going to discuss inertia. Okay, inertia objects resist a change in their state. Objects resist a change in their state, or the objects oppose oppose मतलब विरोध करना. Oppose the forces that try to change their state. State means position. Objects resist a change in their state, यानी कि ऑब्जेक्ट जिस भी स्टेट में है, जिस भी पोजीशन में है, वो उस पोजीशन पे ही रहना चाहेगा. उसके अगर स्टैटिक पोजीशन में है, रुका हुआ है, उसको मूव कराएंगे तब भी वो उसका विरोध करेगा. रेजिस्टेंस होता है विरोध करना, ठीक है. और अगर मूव कर रहा है, उसको रोकेंगे तब भी वो अपनी पोजीशन का क्या करेगा, विरोध करेगा. राइट. सो दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड इनर्शिया. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट्स resist a change in their state, or the objects oppose the force that try to change their state. This property of objects is called inertia. This property of objects is called inertia. Okay, and types of inertia. अब इसमें एक टॉपिक और लिखेंगे. द लार्जर द मास, the large is the inertia. The large is the inertia. The larger the mass, the large is inertia. And the smaller the mass, and the smaller the mass, The small is inertia. Small is inertia. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि मास अगर किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, तो उसको मूव कराने के लिए हमें ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा, या अगर मूव कर रहा है तो उसको रोकने के लिए ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। और अगर किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का मास कम है, ठीक, तो उसको मूव कराने के लिए हमें कम फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा, या अगर मास कम है तो उसको मूव कराने के लिए या मूव करते हुए ऑब्जेक्ट को रोकने के लिए कम हमें फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा, राइट। तो वही लिखा हुआ है, द लार्जर द मास द लार्ज इज इनर्शिया एंड द स्मॉलर द मास द स्मॉल इज इनर्शिया। ओके, तो inertia and mass both are interrelated to each other. Now we are going to discuss about the types of inertia. Types of inertia. Types of inertia. Inertia के types. There are two types of inertia. Inertia of rest or inertia of motion. There are two types of inertia. Number one, inertia of rest. Inertia of rest. It is the inability of a body. It is the inability of a body. It is the inability of a body to change by itself the state of rest. To change by itself, to change by itself its state of rest, its state of rest. यानी कि अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट की पोजीशन में है तो रेस्ट में रहना चाहेगा, ठीक। अब उस पोजीशन को रेस्ट से मूव कराने का जो एबिलिटी होती है वो कहलाता है इनर्शिया, इनर्शिया ऑफ रेस्ट। इट इज द इनएबिलिटी ऑफ अ बॉडी टू चेंज बाय इटसेल्फ द इट्स स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट। ओके, सेकेंड वन इज इनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन। इनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन, ये आपका सेकेंड टॉपिक, सेकेंड पार्ट है टाइप ऑफ इनर्शिया का। इट इज द इनएबिलिटी ऑफ अ बॉडी, इट इज द inability of a body, it is the inability of the body to change by itself, to change by itself, to change by itself the state of motion, the state of motion. थर्ड है आपका इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन। inertia of direction. Inertia of direction. It is the inability of a body. It is the inability of a body. It is the inability of a body to change by itself the direction of the motion. To change by itself. To change by itself the direction of the motion. Okay. So these are the three types of inertia. The next topic is momentum. Momentum. Momentum means the momentum of a body is defined. The momentum of a body is defined as the product of its mass and velocity. Okay, it is denoted by the letter P. It is denoted by the letter P. P से इसको डिनोट करते हैं, तो P इज इक्वल टू m इंटू V. ओके, यूनिट, its unit is किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड. Kilogram meter per second. Okay, so this is about momentum. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video.